Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to explore how to select your interests in the Bluesky app. If you want to make your feed more personalized and see content that truly matters to you, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, open the Bluesky app on your phone. Next, look at the top left and tap on the three dots icon. Then from this menu, select the option called Settings. In the Settings section, scroll down carefully until you find Content and Media. This section controls how media behaves while using the app. Finally, click on Your Interests. Here, you will see a wide range of interest categories. Browse through the options and select the ones that appeal to you by pressing on them. Once selected, your feed will start showing content based on the interests you chose, making your Bluesky experience more enjoyable and relevant. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.